This is our touchscreen model. I will create a brand new message from scratch. Start doing that by tapping the screen in between the two black lines. And I'm going to go into manage job. And here, this is our editor field. A couple different options. New, if I want to create a brand new message. Edit, if I want to edit an existing. Delete, if I want to delete any message I've already created. Download, if I want to download from a USB or to a USB. Copy message. Rename message. In this case, I'm going to create a brand new message. Now we're in the actual editor of the message. A few options here. Text, multi-text, timer. This is your date, time field, shift field, counters, pictures or graphics and logos, barcodes, external data. You start off by adding a simple text field. Edit under text. And I will enter just simple text. My font size adjustment. I can tap on it and open up this window. Choose 7, or I can use the arrows to modify. Now I will move it to my window, and I can fine tune with the arrows. Now we'll add a time field. Click under my arrow to add a format. In this case, I would use month dash day dash 20 year. Before you can see up here, there is a preview. Okay. Again, I can adjust my font size. If I wanted to make this an expiration date, I can enter a value, which is the offset value. But I will just use today's date. And there it is. Now if I'm ready to send down to the printer to print, I will hit OK. Enter a name. Tap OK once I have the name. Now it's on my list of messages ready to go. If I'm ready to send this message to print, I can send to print, or I can leave alone for future use. But I will send it down to print. And now it's been updated, and you can see the name has changed as well. And we're ready to go.